Now, the News 8 Storm Team forecast with meteorologist Drew Anderson.
We're live over a snowy city of Carlisle. Snow out the window this morning in Carlisle. Temperature sitting right at 32 degrees. So some slick spots this morning in Carlisle as that temperature dips down into the 30s. Let's look at some other temperatures across our neighborhood network. In the southern ends of York, down to 28. York in the city did get to 32 this past night, so some slick spots on the roadways there as well, particularly this morning on some of the overpasses. When you go over bridges, that's where it's particularly slick. Some other numbers, we didn't quite get to about the freezing mark for much of the Susquehanna Valley, but parts in Lancaster County did. Lancaster at 30 degrees this morning. We'll head to Dauphin County for the News 8 Storm Team forecast. Today, mostly sunny skies, much to welcome sunshine to help melt away that snow. Still chilly because of the snow on the ground. Temperatures will not go very high, only in the low 40s at 40 to 44. Overnight tonight, clear skies, so a cold night. 28 to 32. Then tomorrow, we'll start out with morning sunshine, then increasing clouds throughout the day as temperatures rise just a few more degrees to 44 to 48. So here's the official total out of Harrisburg International, 9.7 inches of snow. One of the spots that got a lot of snow, most of the Susquehanna Valley saw between about 4 to 7 inches, but here's one spot that saw the higher end of snow. So yesterday was our 5th snowfall ever in October, and without a doubt, the most snow ever in October recorded. So 9.7 inches yesterday. Then from there, 1925, we had about 2 inches of snow. On October 19th, both in 1972 and 1941, was our earliest snowfall, just about an inch, then just barely any snowflakes coming in 1925 on a different date. There's a look at the storm on our satellite and radar picture, just a massive storm. Lots of moisture got pumped in as the system moved across parts just to the south of Pennsylvania, and then got pumped in with some coastal moisture to help supply some of the moisture. And that's one of the reasons we had that wet snow. The other is the temperature just wasn't that cold as you went down toward the surface. So that's the reason we didn't have that fluffy, white, puffy snow that's very easy to shovel, and we had a much wetter snow instead. So the storm continued to stay over us for most of the day. We had some very heavy bands set up. One of them was right over Harrisburg and in northern Dauphin County. Another one just in northern spots of York County. So some of those heavy bands sat right toward the afternoon. The snow was blinding at times. You literally could not see more than a quarter of a mile at times at Harrisburg. We even had lightning strikes. We call that thunder snow, and that's very typical when snow is coming down so fast and the atmosphere loss is so unstable. Reports in Cumberland County and Dauphin County. So that storm, the good news, it is away. It has just raced off to New England. New England getting snow this morning out of that, but not us. Here were our highs yesterday. With that snow, our temperatures did not go very high. We were in the 30s for most of the day. These numbers came just after midnight. We were at 42 degrees. We should be in the upper 50s. We should be at 61 degrees for our average high. They saw some more seasonal weather out to our Midwest, but for us, much colder thanks to the snow. Here's our temperatures right now. We're in the 30s. Most of us in the 30s across the Northeast will be staying in the 30s throughout the rest of the morning. High pressure in control today to bring back the sunshine. That'll slide on up the coast. A beautiful day on the way. Plenty of sunshine to help melt away that snow. Then some increasing clouds as we head toward Monday, but we'll start out with sunshine. After that, in comes some more clouds, but still a very decent day. It's all thanks to a disturbance that'll slide by. It'll be too weak to bring us any rain or anything like that on Monday. Instead, it'll just bring mostly cloudy skies for the night. So the trick-or-treaters, a mostly cloudy Halloween night, about 42 degrees at 7 o'clock on Sunday. Then we're watching a coastal system. This looks like it will stay off the coast. First of all, it would not bring any snow, just rain, because our temperatures would not be cold enough for snow on Tuesday. But we might just get brushed in some of the eastern spots of the Susquehanna Valley with some quick showers, but I do expect most of us will stay dry. Today, right into the low 40s. From here, our temperatures still stay low, but they're going to slowly rise over the next few days. Halloween, we're at 46 as the clouds increase. 48 on Tuesday, then we're back into the 50s. Seasonal will be about 58 degrees by the time we hit Thursday, and we'll stay seasonal for the end of next week. More sunshine in the forecast. Could see some showers on Friday. It will continue to dry out, I feel, all this week.
I still think it's a little bit hard to believe that we actually had snow this early.
You know, I didn't do a double take this morning when I looked out the window. For a second, I just couldn't quite comprehend all that snow on the ground in October.
Just doesn't seem right.
You got that right.
Oh, well. Thanks very much.